Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a opening for Star Wars Unlimited Shadows of the Galaxy. I've got an entire booster box here. First of hopefully many booster boxes I'll be opening. Before we get into actually opening the cards from the box, I'll just use this opportunity to actually announce I'm going to do a giveaway with some Shadows of the Galaxy. And that giveaway is going to be the first booster box that I managed to put a showcase from. Fingers crossed I put a showcase. I've got enough boxes that I should. I'm going to give away all the legendaries that I put in that same box to someone watching. So I'll announce the details of that in the video where I actually put the showcase. It might be this one. Might be a couple of boxes from now. Could be 12 boxes, 15 from now. We'll find out. But hopefully, I don't have to wait that long. But yeah, so if you want to have an opportunity to win all the legendaries I put in one of the boxes, keep an eye out for the video where I put a showcase and you can have that chance. Starting off with Gar Saxon and Spice Mines of Kessel. It's our leader and our base in this pack. Just going to rifle through the commons and uncommons pretty quickly, just keeping an eye for hyperspaces. So we've got a hyperspace Protector of the Throne. Got a Millennium Falcon uncommon there. It's a bit weird that Millennium Falcon doesn't look like the one I think I know. And our first rare legendary in this box is Maz Kanata as a rare. When you cost 1 to play, 1/1. When you play another unit, give an experience token to this unit. Very interesting. And lastly, our foil is a Ruthless Assassin common foil. Haven't really got a good feel, no feel at all really, of what's good, what's bad to play in this set. I've been on holiday since it launched. The only thing I've opened now before this is a pre-release kit. So we get another Hyperspace in our second pack, Cloud Rider. Quarry, Client as our uncommons. And we have Give Into Your Anger, a rare card. The artwork being Look in Return of the Jedi, attacking Darth Vader. Pretty nice. Deal 1 damage to an enemy unit. Its controller's next action this phase must be an attack action with that unit of vehicle. It must attack a unit of vehicle. Interesting. Let's see if that plays and how it plays in real life. An actual game. And we got a Succus foil uncommon. So yeah, no idea what the early kind of strong leaders are looking like, or strong deck plays are, and how well these cards mix with the Sparkle Rebellion set. Over the next couple of days and weeks to get a bit of a feel for that within the community and start then building my own deck as I actually start to open some cards and get something close to a full play set, hopefully. We have Migs Mayfield as our rare from this one. Migs from the Mandalorian, and we have Zing Nell as a foil rare card. Nice. Then in the pre-release video I did the foil cards in this set definitely seem a lot higher quality than the foils from Sparkle Rebellion. We have Hyperspace Boba Fett as our leader. Remote Village as our base. And yeah, there's something about just the foil itself seems like shinier to begin with, but also more of the card has a bit of a foil effect, or at least it appears that way to me anyway. The borders and stuff get a little bit of foil effect. It looks very nice. And we have a Hyperspace rare in the uncommon slot. We are getting plenty of extra bonus rares so far in this box. Chewbacca. Pretty cool artwork from Chewbacca that looks like maybe Chewbacca from the Han Solo movie, helping to free the Wookiees in the Spice Mines Castle. Not 100% sure. Put that with that foil rare there. And our rare card is Zori Bliss. and there. And our foil is a foil common Waybird Stowaway. Don't really have a good defined set of piles here. Trying to keep track of where I'm putting them. Might be a bit messy. I haven't got my usual deck management tray set up, so I'm just going to be setting them in front of me today. Hondo Inaka as our leader for this one. Deathwatch Hideout as our base. Hondo, definitely one of my favourite characters from the animated series, so I'd quite like to get a Hondo showcase. I think that'd be a pretty good one. Him or Cad Bane would be two of my preferences. They look pretty cool. We have first legendary of this box then, Kylo Ren. So cost 6 to play, 6/7. While playing this unit, ignore his villain aspect penalty if you control Rey. Very interesting. On attack, give a unit +2/+0 for this phase. If it's a non-villain unit, also give an experience token to it. That's an interesting card. I'll be interested to see if and how that kind of Ren actually plays in some real decks. But for now, happy to take first legendary off the box. From reading through the card database on Star Wars Unlimited's website, definitely seems to be a lot more complicated effects in this set than the Spark of Rebellion. I think decks are going to be a lot more complicated to craft, a lot more quirks and interesting strategies playing out with them. Some of them potentially risky without kind of a good knowledge and grasp of all the cards. It's hard to get a feel for whether or not something's playable or not at the minute, at least for me. Keeps going over. Okay, Underworld Thug, Hyperspace, another one of the reprint cards from the previous set. Artwork looks the same to me on that one. And we have a rare First Light. A rare slot. And a shiny for foil Underworld Thug in the foil slot. Another Hondo, and that's Canada's Castle. Oh, weird looking Millennium Falcon again. Forced Loyalty, Brutal Traditions, and Choose Sides rare. So it's the first Bad Batch card I've opened. It's choose a friendly non-leader unit and exchange. Sorry, I misread that. Choose a friendly non-leader unit and an enemy non-leader unit. Exchange control of these units. Again, pretty interesting effect. Costs 7 to play, so quite expensive. And we have a foil common Covert Strength. The armor beating up some stormtroopers on that one. Sorry, that was a bit off shot. I'm trying to peek at them myself under camera. Rare Leader, Hunter from the Bad Batch. That's Canada's Castle. And we have a Hyperspace Common, Follower of the Way. Mandalorian. Photon, Scanning Officer, and Embo. That's our uncommons. And we have a rare, Unrefusable Offer. And then we have a Hyperspace Foil Legendary. Wow, what a great card to get from the first box. Hyperspace Foil Mandalorian. I don't know again how strong this will play or not, but in terms of like a collection, Hyperspace Foil Legendaries are good, and I think from this set, Mandalorian Legendary is definitely going to be one of the most collectible ones. course, it might not be my collectible. If I put a showcase, then this is one of the giveaway cards. Doesn't matter what way the legendaries come, they are going to be given away. So if I get a showcase the rest of this video, that could be going to someone's viewing. And we have Ray as our leader, Cornet City as our base, Hyperspace Weekray Pirate Gang, Hyperspace Common, that's Hondo and Aku's gang, 3 uncommons, and our rare is Tech from the Bad Batch, the Bad Batch card. And our foil card this time is Sonara-san, an uncommon foil. Lando Calrissian, rare leader. And the Spaceman Kessel is our base. Okay, another common hyperspace card. Seem to be getting quite a lot of these. Reckless Gunslinger. I reckon that would look pretty good in foil as well. That's pretty sort of artwork that tends to work well on them. We have a rare Frambrace Flamethrower upgrade card. And we have another hyperspace foil, second one of this box, Gentle Giant. We have a wiki. Helping out a young Rudy in there. Very nice. Sleeve. And some room for it down the side here. Then we have a dealer tray to stick all the cards in off to the side. But I haven't got it out at the minute, so I'm just winging it with the space here. And we have another Ray, this time in Hyperspace. Our leader. Almost thought it was a showcase for a second there. Deathwatch Hideout, Concordia. The Proxima, it's our last uncommon. No hyperspace. We have Dr. Pershing, again from the Mandalorian. It's our rare. And we have Outlaw Corona, a foil card. I believe that's Hondo Naka's ship in Clone Wars and Rebels. So he maybe doesn't have a ship anymore in Rebel series, but at least in Clone Wars. I believe that was a ship. Gar Saxon, their leader, and Bar City as a base. Stop actually. I really like the artwork on this Housecast soldier. That looks pretty cool. Again, another one that I think Hyperspace, and particularly Hyperspace foil, that's going to look really, really good. One of the great things about these cards is even the commons. You get a nice looking common, some good artwork. You get it in Hyperspace foil. You can still be pretty excited for getting that card. And we have a Hyperspace uncommon, Unexpected Escape. Cost 1, exhaust a unit. You may rescue a capture card guarded by that unit. Sounds pretty good. And then we have another legendary, the Finalizer. It's a ship legendary, Super Star Destroyer. I think this might be Hux's flagship, is it? Finalizer? I can't quite remember. It is First Order, so it probably is. Overwhelm, 11, cost 11. When played, choose any number of friendly units. Each of these units captures an enemy non-leader unit in the same arena. Wow. That sounds like a strong card. Very expensive, but very strong. And a Sundari Peacekeeper foil uncommon. Sleeve on the top there. And pop that up with Kettle. Don't know, First Order stack of legendaries there. And we have another Ray. 3 3 rays almost in a row, separated by Gar Saxon and Death Watch Hideout. Thug. Straighten those back up again. We're cheating and looking ahead. Under the Teeth, Forlorn, and Commission as our uncommons. We have Kragan Gore, rare, there, and then we have a Guavian Antagonizer, common foil card. Another Gar Saxon, and the Jabba's Palace. I have seen Jabba's Palace so far, actually. That's a base. Straighten the pile up there. Okay, through the commons. So L3 from Solo. It's our first uncommon. Reserves, and we have a Hyperspace Privateer's Crew uncommon. We have another legendary, Evacuate. Cost 6, return each non-linear unit to its owner's hand. So basically clear the field back to hands. Again, very interesting effect card. Interesting to see how that plays in some decks. Good to see another legendary. It's our third legendary in the legendary slot and our fourth overall, and we're just over halfway through this box, I think. And we have foil Village Protectors common. This one. This is the top loader. That one protected. And we have Finn as our leader, a rare leader. Spiceman's Castle is our base. And we have a Hyperspace Desperado Freighter. So this is probably one of the examples of cards that doesn't really work too well in Hyperspace because it's in space and there's not a whole lot going on the outside. These are the ones that are always a bit disappointing to get in Hyperspace foil. They don't really look too impressive. Okay, we have an Arquitens Assault Cruiser as our rare, and we have Hyperspace foil Hunting Nexu. Sleeve. That's our Gentle Giant Hyperspace foil. Mess out on that one. Okay, let's see. We got Cad Bane, the coolest modern Star Wars characters. It's a common leader in this set. Cornet sitting on Corellia in Hyperspace. The armor, Ketsuyonya, and Impy's Nest as our uncommons. And we have Bazine Natal as our rare. And General Reckon. It's another rare in foil rare card. But yeah, 2 foil rares and Hyperspace rare from this box, so doing pretty good in terms of bonus cards here. Bonus rares and legendaries. Following up again with another Cad Bane. Remote Village. Uncommons. A Stolen Landspeeder. It's a rare. Cost 1, 3/2. Already sounds pretty good at that. When played, you played this unit from your hand, an opponent takes control of it. Okay, so you may want to smuggle that then. Bounty, if you own this unit, play it from your discard pile for free and give an experience token to it. Interesting. think a bit more about how that one works. Read it a bit more and reread it probably a few times to understand it. Valiant assault ship, uncommon foil. And we have a hyperspace our leader this time, hyperspace Finn, and remnant science facility on the barrow. Another reprint card, cargo juggernaut. Wusher tree tender, hyperspace common. Three uncommons are Sundari Peacekeeper, Embo, and a guild target. And we have another legendary. Getting really lucky with this box. Legendary Supreme Leader Snoke. He's at 8 cost, 6/6. Each enemy non-leader unit gets -2/-2. So that sounds pretty strong. And we have a cartel, turncoat foil card. Supreme Leader Snoke art from the Rise of Skywalker wearing his golden bathrobe rather than hologram Supreme Leader Snoke from Force Awakens. Okay, got Fennec Shand as our leader, and we have Coronet City as our base. Criminal Muscle, a very non-muscular Rodin flexing his muscles. Interesting. Spare the target, Privateer Crew, and Toro Calican. That's our uncommons, and I have another Bad Batch Wrecker, one of my favorites from that show, or from the Bad Batch crew in general. As our rare Wrecker Boom. 6/7/6, and he's overwhelmed. When you defeat a friendly, you may defeat a friendly resource. If you do, deal 5 damage to a ground unit. It's like a pretty nice card. It might be popular. And Midnight Repairers, uncommon, as our foil. Let's see what we can get from the rest of this box. We're doing really well so far. So we've got Fennec, Jabba's Palace, three uncommons. We have a rare Kira, and we have Heroic Renegade. It's a foil common. And we're on our last 4 packs. Videos running on a bit, taking a while to get through this box. Let's try and get through these packs pretty quick. Jabba and Remote Village. Okay. Hyperspace Common. Super Commando Squad. General Riken again. It's our rare in this case. And we have a foil Mercenary Company. Foil common. Boba Fett is our leader. Death Watch Hideout in Hyperspace. Three uncommons, got Crosshair from the Bad Bats, that's our third one. And we have a rare card, Imprisoned. It's an upgrade attached to a non-leader unit. Attached to the unit loses its current abilities and can't gain abilities. Very nice. And we have a foil rare Wrecker. Really getting really lucky with the bonus rares legendaries in this one. Loads of them. I have no idea the monetary or playable value of most of these cards at the minute, but in terms of quantity of like rares and legendaries, this box has been fantastic. It's been a great first one to open. Jeff Rancor, Rose, and Tobias Beckett, another bonus rare, this time Hyperspace in the uncommon Hyperspace slot. We have Survivor's Gauntlet as our actual rare in the rare slot. We have a Grey Squadron Y-Wing foil card. And lastly, no showcase for this one. We got a Kylo Ren rare leader from the science facility. This is the way, Queel, and Unlicensed Headhunter. It's our uncommons. We got a rare Palpatine's Return, and a common Hunter of the Haxian Brood from the Jedi series of games as our foil common to finish. Okay, that does it for this box. Really great box. Got 4 legendaries in the legendary slot: Kylo Ren, Finalizer, Evacuate, and Supreme Leader Snoke. And we got a Hyperspace foil Mandalorian. Definitely might be the biggest hit I get in any of these boxes for a while until I get a showcase. Yeah, one final reminder before we go about the giveaway. That giveaway is the first booster box opening where I put a showcase card. You could win all the legendaries, so that video will give you the details when it happens of how to enter. But yep, if I were to pull these 5 legendaries, they would go to the winner. So keep tuned for that video. It'll be a booster box video as well. It won't be like pre-release. If I open one in a pre-release kit, something like that, that's not where I'll do it. Because there's not going to be as much legendaries as there will be in a box. So we'll stick to the boxes. So yeah, if you're interested in finding out when that video comes, give the channel a subscription, give it a like. These sort of things also help support the channel, help me be able to do these giveaways. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.